friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Rituka, and this channel, The Vegan Flower Child, is all about making vegan recipes, exploring vegan food in cafes and restaurants, and exploring a lot of vegan products in the market. And today, being a recipe video, we shall be making some roasted bell peppers with pesto on top with a side of herbed garlic quinoa. Let's get started.
So first, let's make our burnt garlic herbed quinoa. So for which, in a pan, I'm going to add 2-3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And once that heats up, we can add around 2.5 tablespoons of chopped garlic and saute it. We can let this roast until it's nice and golden brown. And once that's done, we can add around 1.5 teaspoon of mixed Italian herbs. So here I'm using a blend of thyme, parsley, rosemary and basil. You can use fresh herbs or any dried herbs that you have access to. And saute this for another 30 seconds. And finally I'm going to add here cooked quinoa. So this is half a cup of uncooked quinoa that I've cooked with some Himalayan pink salt. And how to cook quinoa is in my vegetable quinoa upma video, the link to which I shall put in the description box. Now we can mix this really well. Add some Himalayan pink salt to taste. And our quinoa is done. We can keep it aside for now. So next we're going to make our pesto sauce, for which in a blender I'm going to add a handful of fresh basil leaves, around 15 almonds blanched, and I've removed the skin. You can keep the skin on if you like for added nutrition. Around 3 tablespoons of coconut cream, a heaping teaspoon of minced garlic, Himalayan pink salt to taste, and 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Now we can blend this. And our pesto sauce is ready. This can be an amazing spread for sandwiches as well. So we can keep this aside for now. So next we're going to roast our bell peppers. Here I have used half each of a red and yellow bell pepper, which I have sliced into thin strips. And I'm going to add some Himalayan pink salt on top. And some extra virgin olive oil. Now I'm going to bake this in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 10 minutes. And once done, we can remove it. So finally, I have assembled everything together. Here I'm serving the burnt garlic herbed quinoa with the roasted bell peppers. And I have spread the pesto sauce on top of the bell peppers and the quinoa. And our amazing, yummy and healthy dish is ready.
So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please go ahead and try it and let me know in the comments what do you think of it. If you like this video, please go ahead and like it, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.